Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming the week of Easter 2021. So we are going to use this kit from Scribbles Print Co. I on a grab bag, so you have all your full boxes, and it's called Egg Hunt. You have the second page with some labels, half boxes and quarter boxes. You have your flags, checklist, habit trackers, icons, and more labels. And then you have flags here, work labels, quarter half boxes, movie marquee, some schedule cancelled labels, and your deco pieces. Finally, you have your date covers and your washi strips. Now, because the washi is a simple washi, I am going to bring in this beautiful Girl Boss Anna washi overlay, which is in gold hollow foil. And let me try to roll this out so you can see. It is filled with stars. There you go. And it's really nice. So I think this will go really well with this bottom washi, which is like this. So I just want a dash of color on this background, so we'll see how that goes. And I'm gonna bring in a few of my stash. So I want to preface this video to say that I spilled coffee on my planner, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it on camera, but if you can, I do apologize for that. It was definitely not intentional. So if you can see it, I'm sorry, but it is what it is. So we are going to keep doing this. So we'll be back soon. So as usual, I do my bottom washi first, and this time the bottom washi from the kit had a very simple design, and I actually really appreciated that because that gave me the opportunity to use one of my overlay tapes, which is from the Girl Boss Anna, and I love how it looked. I didn't have the right size of overlay tape, but I had this 20 millimeters to use, and I just doubled up. So I put it 2 layers of it, one on top of the other, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I think it doesn't steal away from the design, and it also doesn't look cluttered at all. So I really enjoyed that. I was finally able to use it, and as you can see, it's really easy to peel it off. Really easy to peel it off, especially on the Scribbles Print Co type of stickers. So yeah, I'm really happy how it turned out, and it just looks so good in real life. And the hollow foil doesn't pick up as much on the camera, but it does pick up in real life. Anyway, I put down all of my date covers, and you can see, or I can see at least, the marks on the planner from the coffee. I'm really upset about that. And I put down all of my date dots as well. The date dots are from Rose Colored Daze. And then we start our full box positioning. So because I had a double box, I used that on the weekend because it was Easter weekend. And then I just put down usually my middle, bottom, and top. I was debating putting down some sort of header on the Wednesday, but on the full boxes, but I just gave up on that idea. It didn't make really sense, so I moved the full box from Wednesday up a little bit. You'll see that on the next few frames. So first thing on the Monday was this gigantic cup of coffee, because it was a Monday, it was a week. It has been a long month. Put down my computer to mark down that it was work from home day. And when I spilled coffee on my planner, I spilled coffee on my planner, on my ring planner, and on my sticker book. So yeah, this video is a little bit convoluted because I don't have my sticker book with me. Anyway, put down a flag and a little paw from Arctic Paper Studio to mark down that it was Litter Tray Day, and the script is from Rose Colored Daze. Half box to mark down that I wanted to edit a plan with me and do the voiceover. And I also received happy mail. Sorry, I also made a purchase this Monday, that Monday specifically, for a Campania XL in gold, a Giglio Campania XL in gold, and I received it today. Actually, today is the 23rd of April, and I have to say I'm not impressed with the color. I don't know. It's very similar to the Janet Brown leather from VDS, which I have, but it's not as stiff, and I actually like the VDS better because it feels like a better quality leather. Anyway, I digress. The last thing I did on Monday was the bin night, which I marked down with Planning Like a Pro trash can, and the script was by me. Tuesday, again, work from home. I inverted my half box to mark down all of the things that I wanted to do related to social media. So I wanted to edit a haul, upload it, to upload a second plan with me, and also take some pictures. And I mix-matched some of my scripts, and I don't like how it looks. I prefer the second script, the upload script, much better, but I didn't have specific scripts for the plan with me and the pictures, so that's what I resorted to. I also did some Instagram posts, and I wanted to mark that down. The script is from Arctic Paper Studio. Water my plants, the little girls from Planet Beautiful, who is now closed. Basically all my icons from this are closed shops except Arctic Paper Studio and Planning Like a Pro. It's ridiculous. Grocery shopping that day. Then on Wednesday, work from home. Again, it was Litter Tray Day, and I did the usual of using my Scoop to Poop script from Rose Colored Daze, and I added that on a half box or a quarter box in green from the kit. I love the soft colors from this kit. It's really, really nice, and I think that it's the right amount of pastel and the right composition of colors. It's not based in just one dominant color, and I really appreciate that. It allowed me to use a lot of different colors from my my sheets as well, my sheets of stickers. Anyway, Wednesday was payday, and I used that script from by Sharina Jane. I don't think she sells stickers anymore. I used half box with a fox and cactus girl holding a cat, and that is when everything started. So I took my oldest cat, she was 14 years old, to the vet that day because she was losing weight really quickly and she wasn't eating. Unfortunately, our cat passed away on the week after, and that was the first day that she went into that she stayed in the hospital, so she didn't come back. Yeah, that wasn't a fun week, but we said our goodbyes. We had time with her, and we also spent time going visiting her, which was really nice. I did the groceries were delivered, and I called my mom on that Wednesday. Thursday, worked from home. I also used a deco piece from the kit to mark down that I shipped my US box here to Australia. And then again, I was doing my uploading hauls and filming hauls throughout the Thursday evening. The afternoon I finished work and I started doing that. And the last thing on my agenda that day was to actually finish doing my dishes, because the house was a mess, just big mess, but that's okay. I used a label to mark down to put the dishes, and that yellow color is so light, the dishes sticker is so light that it doesn't show very well. Not even looking at it in real life, I really don't see it very well. The film script is from Letters to Apollo, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's in clear sticker paper, and I love the bouncing font, so I'm really interested in purchasing more when she has a $2 Tuesday, for example. Friday was my day off because it was Easter Friday, or what do you call it? It was the Friday before Easter. And I used this beautiful cat from Mixie Cat Stuff, and I have a discount code for 10%. Just use SAM10. Used my beautiful Scooped Poop and the cat paw from Arctic Paper Studio. Again, continued my filming and my uploading and editing and all of the madness that is social media for me lately. But I filmed, I edited the plan with me, I did a voiceover, and I also filmed a haul. And I put a little decoration from the kit, but again, the color is so faint that you can barely see because I had an awkward space and I just didn't know what to do. It was really, the placement was really awkward. If I was as good at layering as Sean did plans, I might have come up with a better idea for this, but I didn't, so that's what I did. It looks weird. Saturday, it was a sleep-in day. Again, I put down a deco from the kit. I bought something from Cloth and Paper. I believe it was the oily clip that they were having that day. I think that was it. Also did my dishes, and again the bouncy font, or sort of bouncy font or handwriting sticker, is from Randy Dot Plans. And then I put down a checklist, a three heart checklist to mark down that I needed to take pictures. I needed to visit Anya in the hospital, which we did, and I also needed to post on Instagram for my PR. Sunday was Sunday Easter. I didn't do a lot. I didn't do anything. So I put down a full box and decorated the full box and attempted to make some sort of lettering. And that didn't turn out very well, as you will see. But it is what it is. I've done my best, and that is enough. I added a lot of deco from the kit as well on this full box, just to make it look cuter, I guess. Didn't work, but it's okay. We do what we can, and I mean, it's gonna be a good memory when I flip back on my planner in a few, I don't know, by the end of the year I might do a flip of this planner, of my coil bound. I definitely won't do a flip of my ring planner because we would be here forever, because it's a lot. It is a lot. It's a daily. My ring planner is my daily, and my coil bound is my weekly, so there's no way. I put down a movie marquee at the end of Sunday to mark down that I watched a movie, and that is pretty much what I've done with my Easter week. It was a very emotional week, but it's okay. That's it, everyone. That's the spread. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. It's a very cute kit, and it's very pastel. Of course, I added elements that are not from the kit, but and a few things are crooked. Now that I look at it, I think that the stains are really bothering me, even though I don't think you can see them on the screen, but the stains are really bothering me. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do moving forward. I have another planner coming on. Not because the stains, I have ordered it before I dropped coffee on my planner, but I'm not sure I'm gonna start with it. I don't know what I'm doing or what I'm gonna do. I'm really out of it, but the spread is really nice. It was a lovely, it was a bittersweet, like I said, it was a bittersweet time of the year, but it's okay. The kit is nice. It's a good grab bag if you have the opportunity to purchase from her grab bags, Scribbles Print Co. I would go for it. And when I say grab bags, I mean the kit, the pull, I think that's what they call it. So they pull a random kit and that's what you have. So this was really cheap. I got the full kit for bananas, and I made a complete spread and I have leftovers. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you, lottles. Bye!